Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a fall tablescape as part of our close collab this season for Vlogtober, honey. Did you know that was a thing? We are the Vlogtober squad, and this is the Homedecoreluxeclub. Now let me introduce you. Our founding member, Miss Allie from Glam Elegant Living. Also in our group, Creations by Simone, Antonette Decorating, the Rodgers House, DIY Designs by CCW, Buckeye Girls, Wreaths and Things, The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, a Happy Hoarder, and myself, yours truly, Amethyst Adventures. And we are bringing you our close collab fall vibes, honey. Yes, you want to catch that vibe and get that inspiration. I want you to head on over to the playlist and watch all the ladies in my group because, honey, we bring it and you will be getting that decorating inspiration. For this tablescape, I'm starting off with this beautiful curtain valance that I thrifted, and I'm going to use this as my table run. Those autumn colors just beautiful. I'm gonna use these ruffled jute placemats first. And I'm gonna set my table just a little bit differently, more of a conversational style. It's a little bit more intimate. Maybe you're having two couples over for dinner, and it works beautifully. Next, I'm going to come in with these orange chargers. And for our place setting, I'm going to go to my go-to plate, which is my off-white burlap textured dinner plate. On top of that, I have these little golden plates, and unfortunately there were only 3 of them. I thrifted them. They were 3 for $1. But I think the color adds a very nice fall accent. And then if you remember these from my unboxing video, I had one of these, a little candy dish, and then I found 3 others when I was thrifting. And they all complement each other. So I'm going to lay that on top. And for our glassware, and you saw these, a thrift find buy. 12 golden champagne flutes for $2.99, honey. And then I have here, and I just recently found these, some golden sea bead coasters that I'm going to use next. And our glassware sitting on top. For my centerpiece, I'm going to come in with this beautiful clear glass apothecary jar. And into that, I have a bunch of pumpkins and gourds I'm just going to toss in for that additional color. To each of our place settings, I'm going to add these little glittery bronze colored or copper colored Dollar Tree. I'm going to scatter around the table randomly. Black wrought iron candle holders with a scroll design. Very beautiful. Also thrifted. I've had these sometimes, so I couldn't tell you how much I paid for them, but I will tell you that these candles were also a thrift find. For our napkins, I have these beautiful kind of a light gold or a beige, and they have this beautiful geometric design on it, and they're very pretty. I hope you can make out the design. So I'm just gonna do these very simply. And then I also have these napkin rings, which are like little faux leather cuffs, and I thought they were so cute, and when I saw them I thought they would work beautifully on a fall table. So with my napkins today, I'm just going to take them and very simply roll them and tuck them into our napkin ring, and then place one at each setting. And I'm going to put the chairs as more of a bench seating or settee. So now let me bring you in for that closer look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gives you inspiration to do some fall decorating in your home. If you haven't done so already, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you again for watching, and until next time,